hanging on a cross. And tell me what you see, and what does it all mean? All me, my God. Why are we like this in the world? How are we gonna live in the world? How are we gonna live in the world? My God, why are we like this in the world?
In the world, no matter what you do, people will always talk.
People will always
In
talk.
the world, no matter what you do, they'll put you down. People will always talk. And when the world, in the world,
People will always talk.
in the world. No matter what you do, they'll put you down. It's good or bad in the world.
My God,
Why are we like this in the world? I could push and pray. The devil got a hand in this, but God created life in it. Oh my God, yeah, we like this. We living in a world where no matter what you do, they talk. Even when you do good, they talk. Even when you do bad, they talk. Just live in your truth, sister, brother, keep pushing and pray. No matter what you do,
people will always talk. People will always talk.
no matter what you do,
They'll put you down.
in the world, no matter what you do,
People will always talk. People will always talk.
no matter what you do,
They'll put you down.
in the world, in the world, in the world. Every time I turn around, I'm fighting off the vultures, and every day I hit the ground, but you gotta get back up. Everywhere I look around, they acting like some poachers. The voices are getting loud, they're making me wanna say, hey. When I was down bad, I just had to say, push. They was all around me, they tried to break me. Push, get up, get up.